Welcome to Flourish in Math class. Our topic today is division of fractions. There are three simple steps to follow in order to perform this operation. We use this first example. 8/10 divide 2/10. So the very first thing to do is to change the division sign to multiplication. Then you flip the fraction right after the division sign, which means this becomes 10/2. Then the third step is to simplify by dividing with the highest common factor or greatest common factor, and this you can divide across or above and below. That is the numerator and the denominator. So here we go. So here we can divide 10 by 10. So the greatest common factor between 10 and 10 is 10. So we divide that and we have 1. Then between 2 and 8, the greatest common factor is 2. That is why we have divided with 2. So now we have 4/1 multiplied by 1/1. And this is 4 divide 1. 4 divide 1 is 4. So the result of this question is 4. The second example is 8/5 divide 9/5. So we have 8/5. We change the division sign to multiplication. Then we do the reciprocal of 9/5, and that is 5/9. And so now we simplify. 5 divides 5, 1. 5 divides 5, 1. Now we see that we have no greatest common factor to divide. So we have 8/1 multiplied 1/9, and this is 8/9. And that is the simplest form of this expression. Example 3. 1/2 divide 1/6. We have 1/2 multiplied by 6/1. Then we divide by 2. 2 divides 2, 1. 6 divides 2, 3. So we have 1 multiplied by 3 over 1 multiplied by 1. And that is 3/1. And that is 3. Example number 4. 6/8 divide 3/2. This is 6/8 multiplied by 2/3. So we simplify further. We have 2 divide 2, 1. 8 divides 2, 4. Then 3 divides 3, 1. 6 divides 3, 2. So we are left with 2 also divides 2, 1. 4 divides 2, 2. So we are left with 1/2 multiplied by 1/1. And this is 1 divide 2. And that is half. Number 5. 3/18 divides 6/20. We have 3/18 multiplied by 20/6. Now we simplify further. 3 divides 3, 1. 6 divides 3. We have 2. 2 divides 2, 1. 20 divides 2, 10. 10 divides 2, 5. 18 divides 2, 9. We have reduced all this to the lowest term, so we have 1 over 9 multiplied by 5 over 1, and this is 5 over 9. Number 6, we have these mixed numbers. 1 4 over 6 divides 2 1 over 3. The first step here is to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we change that, we have 10 over 6 divide 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7 over 3. Now we change the division sign to multiplication, so we have 10 over 6 multiplied by the reciprocal of 7 over 3 is 3 over 7. We have 3 divides 3 1, 6 divides 3 2. Also 10 and 2, we have 2 divides 2 1, 10 divides 2 5. And this is 5 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 7, and this is 5 over 7. Example 7, 2 over 5 divides 2 over 7. We change to improper fraction, and that gives us 12 over 5. Divide 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 2, that is 16 over 7. Now we change the division to multiplication. We have 12 over 5 multiplied by 7 over 16 by taking the reciprocal. Now we reduce to the lowest term by simplifying further. So we have 4, 12 divides 4, 3, 16 divides 4, 4, and that would be all here. So we have 21, which is 3 times 7, 21 over 20, 5 times 2. And we can change this to a mixed number. So we have one whole number, 1 over 20. Example 8, 4 over 2 divides 10 over 4. We have 4 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 10. We simplify. 2 divides 2, 1. 4 divides 2, 2. 2 divides 2, 1. 10 divides 2, 5. So we have 4 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 5. And this is 4 over 5. Example 9, 1 6 over 11 divide 1 5 over 8. We change this to improper fraction. 11 times 1, 11 plus 6, 17. That is 17 over 11. Divide 8 times 1, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 over 8. Now we have 17 over 11 multiplied by 8 over 13. here we note that three numbers here, 17, 11, and 13, are prime numbers. So there would not be any common factor. So we multiply the numbers how? 17 times 8. So 8 times 7, 56, 6 carry 5, 8 times 1, 8 plus 5, 13. So that is 136. Then divide 11 times 13. 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 1, 3, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1, 1. So we have 3, 4, 1. So we have 143. So that is 136 over 143. Number 10, 3 1/6 divides 3. We change the 3 1/6 to improper fraction, and that is 19/6 divide 3. So 19/6 multiplied by 1/3. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. Now we see that no common factors here, so we multiply the numbers out as 19/6 times 3, 18. So that's 19/18, and this is an improper fraction. We change to mixed number, and that is 1/18. Now I have 6 questions here for you. Please try them in your notebook and have someone supervise it for you. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. I hope to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and bye for now.